lecture number 9. Now see, all this is very important before we proceed with the nomenclature of the coordination compounds. Now try to understand very easy. See, there are three types of complexes. What are they? They are called as a cationic, anionic and the neutral complex. The very first we start with, what do you mean by a cationic complex? Now see, if this is a coordinate compound, now when it splits, how does it split? वो जो complex है, that is having a positive charge. Okay, it will dissociate in this way. This will be in a bracket and then it will release 3 chloride ions. वो जाने के बाद वो जो complex है उस पे positive charge है, that is called as a cationic complex. You can see the examples over here where when it is dissociating, जो complex रहता है उसके ऊपर positive charge है, that is called as a cationic complex. Why do I stress on this point? Because this is going to help you to decide how do you name the particular coordinate compound. So these are the rules. Like second is called as the anionic complex. See, when you see this compound, अभी ये कैसे dissociate होगा? When this dissociates, you find that वो जो complex है उसके ऊपर negative charge है. That is called as a anionic complex. So you can see the examples of the anionic complex where you can see that the complex जो है it has got a negative charge. That is called as a anionic complex. The complex in which the complex ion it carries a negative charge, that is called as a anionic complex. So these are the examples of the anionic complex. The third type is called as a neutral complex. Neutral complex मतलब क्या? ये जो complex है which will not have any net charge on it, that is called as a neutral complex. For example, it is NiCO4 or this is PTNH3Cl2. These are the examples of the neutral complexes. So this is a type of complex. Now after the type of complex we proceed with the next, that is called as the effective atomic number. That is called as EAN. What do you mean by EAN? That is called as the effective atomic number. Okay, how do you find it out? वो कैसे find out करने का? It's very easy. Now you have got a particular formula of it. EAN is equal to Z minus X plus Y. What is Z? Z is the atomic number of the metal. What is X? It is the number of electrons lost during the formation of the metal ion from its atom. And what is Y? Y is the number of electrons which are donated by the ligand. So that is the formula and the description of each and every variable over there. Let us have the example and see. The very first example, it is FeCN6 4 minus. अभी वो डिसोसिएट कैसे होगा? इट विल डिसोसिएट. अभी Fe पे चार्ज कितना रहेगा? इट विल, व्हाट विल बी द चार्ज ऑन Fe? इट वुड बी 2 प्लस. 2 प्लस कैसे आया? आई थिंक यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. Cyanide -6 -4. Okay, so it is +2 is the charge on ion over there. So what is the atomic number of ion? It is 26. चार्ज कितना है? Fe2 प्लस में कितना हो गया नंबर? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितना है? It is 24. That is the atomic number is 24. So how do I find it out? It is 24 plus 6. What is 6? The number of, say, ligand, cyanide, कितना donate करेगा? 2 electrons. So it is 6 into 2, that is 12. So it is 24 plus 12, that comes to 36 electrons. And normally EAN is equal to the atomic number of the inert gas. Okay, that always goes to the atomic number of the inert gas. There are some exceptions for this too. So I say most of the times. The second example also where you can see it is PT NH35Cl3 plus. PT का we have found out the charge, that is +4. I think you have come to know कि how is it +4. Okay, X ये न्यूट्रल हो गया ना अमोनिया का. So it is X 0 -1 is equal to +3. तो X -1 वहाँ पे गया तो it is +4. तो PT पे चार्ज कितना है? It is +4. Z atomic number कितना है? 78. Okay, so it will be 78. PT +4 का Z is equal to 78. So it is 78 plus 12. Okay, that will be equal to 12 कैसा है? It is 5 plus 1. क्लोरीन का एक 1, 5 इसका. So it comes to 86. That is of radon. So that is how you can, that is equal to, it is obeyed. That is equal to radon का configuration. So most of the times it is obeyed. Now the next two examples where I have given, it is not obeyed. For example, see, it is NiCN4 2 minus. तो Ni2 plus, charge Ni का हो गया 2 plus. Atomic number निकल का है, it is 28. So it will be En will be equal to 26 plus 8 कैसा, it is 4 2s are 8. That comes to 34, which is not the atomic number of the inert gas. So I say it is the exception, not obeyed by sometimes also. The next example you can see it as MnCN6 4 minus, where the En comes to 35, where again it doesn't obey the configuration of the inert gas. So these are the some of the exceptions. So now with this background, now we can proceed with the nomenclature of the coordination compounds. Okay.